The doors of mercy open wide. Ramadan, a month of blessings, forgiveness, and immense mercy. The first 10 days are especially significant. Imagine doors of mercy thrown open wide, welcoming us to receive Allah's boundless grace. It's a time to purify our hearts, seek His forgiveness, and draw closer to Him. Mercy is at the heart of Ramadan. It's about showing compassion to others, forgiving those who have wronged us, and seeking Allah's mercy for ourselves. This is a time to reflect on our actions and strive to become better versions of ourselves. Remember, Allah's mercy encompasses everything. He is the most merciful, the most compassionate. In these precious days, let us open our hearts to receive His infinite mercy and extend it to others. The first 10 days of Ramadan are like fertile ground, ready to nurture the seeds of good deeds. Just as a farmer carefully plants seeds, let us cultivate good habits during this blessed time. Start with small, consistent actions. Increase your prayers, recite the Quran with understanding, and engage in acts of kindness. Every act of worship, no matter how small, is a seed of mercy that will blossom with Allah's blessings. Fasting itself is an act of immense mercy. It teaches us empathy for those less fortunate, reminding us to be grateful for Allah's blessings. Use this time to connect with your community, share meals with neighbors, and donate generously to those in need. Remember, every act of goodness is a step closer to Allah. Let us make the most of these days by planting seeds of mercy that will flourish throughout the year. If you've made it this far, you're clearly someone who values timeless wisdom. Don't forget to subscribe and join our journey to uncover more secrets to a meaningful life. Fasting can be challenging, especially during the first few days. It's natural to experience hunger pangs, fatigue, and difficulty concentrating. But remember, Allah does not burden a soul beyond its capacity. Focus on maintaining a healthy diet by consuming nutritious foods during suhoor and iftar. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and avoid caffeine and sugary drinks. Engage in light exercise to boost your energy levels and improve your mood. Remember, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized the importance of breaking your fast with dates. They provide a quick burst of energy and are rich in essential nutrients. Also, take time for short naps during the day if needed. Most importantly, seek strength and patience from Allah. He is the one who grants us the ability to fast. With His help, we can overcome these challenges and reap the countless rewards of this blessed month. Section 4. The Prophet's Example, a Beacon of Mercy. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was a shining example of mercy, especially during Ramadan. He would increase his acts of worship, spend his nights in prayer, and free slaves. His generosity knew no bounds. One Ramadan, the angel Gabriel, peace be upon him, visited the Prophet, peace be upon him, every night. They would recite the Quran together, and the Prophet, peace be upon him, would be even more generous in giving charity than a strong wind. His companions would strive to emulate his example, increasing their own acts of worship and charity. This teaches us that Ramadan is a time to go above and beyond in our devotion to Allah and our service to others. Let us follow the Prophet's example and make this Ramadan a time of immense spiritual growth and generosity. Let our actions reflect the mercy and compassion we have received from Allah. Section 5. A Journey of Reflection. Setting Spiritual Goals. Ramadan is not just about abstaining from food and drink. It is a journey of spiritual reflection and growth. The first 10 days offer a unique opportunity to set intentions and strive for self-improvement. Reflect on your relationship with Allah. Identify areas where you can improve. Set realistic spiritual goals for the month, such as completing the Quran, praying all your Sunnah prayers, or giving more charity. Write down your goals and track your progress. This will help you stay motivated and focused throughout the month. Remember, even small steps taken with sincerity are meaningful in the eyes of Allah. Let this Ramadan be a turning point in your life. Embrace the mercy of Allah, cultivate good habits, and strive for spiritual excellence. May these first 10 days set the tone for a blessed and transformative month. We have plenty more thought-provoking content coming your way. Also, check out our other video on related topic. Click here to watch it now. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace and blessings.